Trading. It's the ultimate get-rich-quick scheme, right? Wrong. Most traders enter the market with dollar signs in their eyes, dreaming of overnight riches. They chase hot tips, ignore risk management, and ultimately blow up their accounts. Think about it. You hear about some hot new stock, maybe even a meme stock, and FOMO kicks in. Everyone's making money and you don't want to miss out. You buy high, hoping to sell even higher. But then the market turns, and your profits vanish faster than you can say margin call. Sound familiar? It's the classic story of the amateur trader. They let emotions dictate their decisions, trading on hope instead of logic. They lack a solid strategy, and they certainly don't understand the importance of risk management. But here's the good news. You don't have to be another statistic. You can learn from the mistakes of others and develop the skills needed to succeed. It's all about having a proven strategy, managing risk, and mastering your emotions. Let me introduce you to a strategy that can help you navigate the market like a pro: the VWAP Snapback Fade. Quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making any trades. Cool? Cool. It's a powerful tool for day traders looking to capitalize on short-term price movements. VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. It's a technical indicator that shows the average price a security has traded at throughout the day, weighted by volume. Think of it as a dynamic support and resistance level. The strategy is simple. First, identify stocks experiencing a significant price spike, often driven by news or hype. Then, wait for the price to move away from the VWAP, indicating a potential overextension. Look for a reversal signal, such as a bearish candlestick pattern, and enter a short position. Set your profit target near the VWAP, where the price is likely to find support. This strategy takes advantage of the tendency for stocks to revert to their mean after a sharp move. By fading the move, you're essentially betting that the initial price surge was overblown. Not every stock that spikes is a good candidate for the VWAP Snapback Fade. You need to be selective and look for specific setups that increase your probability of success. First, focus on volatile stocks. The bigger the price move, the greater the potential for a snapback. Look for stocks with a history of making large intraday swings. Second, pay attention to volume. A high-volume spike is more likely to be driven by institutional activity, which can create a stronger reversal. Third, look for overextended price action. The further the price moves away from the VWAP, the greater the potential for a reversal. Look for stocks that are trading significantly above their moving averages. Finally, consider the overall market sentiment. The VWAP Snapback Fade tends to work best in a choppy or bearish market. In a strong bull market, stocks are more likely to continue trending upwards. Section 4. Executing the trade. Timing is everything. Once you've identified a potential setup, the next step is to execute the trade with precision. Timing is everything in day trading, and the VWAP Snapback Fade is no exception. Wait for the price to make a decisive move away from the VWAP. Don't jump the gun too early, or you could get caught in a false breakout. Look for a reversal signal, such as a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, a bearish divergence on the RSI, or a break below a key support level. Enter your short position as close to the reversal signal as possible. The goal is to capitalize on the initial downward momentum. Set your stop-loss order above the recent swing high. This will limit your potential losses if the trade goes against you. Set your profit target near the VWAP, where the price is likely to find support. You can also use a trailing stop-loss to lock in profits as the trade moves in your favor. Section 5. Real trade example, putting the strategy into action. Let's look at a real-world example of how the VWAP Snapback Fade can be used to generate profits. On March 15, 2025, XYZ stock gapped up significantly on news of a major acquisition. The stock surged from $50 to $60 in the first hour of trading, a massive move driven by high volume. As the price moved away from the VWAP, a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern formed on the 5-minute chart, indicating a potential reversal. This was our signal to enter a short position near $59. We set our stop-loss order above the recent swing high at $61, limiting our potential loss to $2 per share. Our profit target was set near the VWAP at $55, giving us a potential profit of $4 per share. The trade played out perfectly. The price reversed sharply after our entry and retraced all the way back to the VWAP, hitting our profit target within the hour. This single trade yielded a 6.7% return on our capital. Section 6. Tools and Mindset, your keys to success. Mastering the VWAP Snapback Fade or any trading strategy requires more than just technical knowledge. First, you also need the right tools and the right mindset. You need a reliable trading platform that provides lightning fast zero-commission trades and real-time data. I use Interactive Brokers. You also need reliable advanced charting tools, And for this I use TradingView, the ability to execute trades quickly and efficiently. Second, you need to develop a disciplined trading plan that outlines your entry and exit rules, risk management strategy, and profit targets. Stick to your plan even when emotions run high. Third, master your emotions. Fear and greed can cloud your judgment and lead to costly mistakes. Learn to control your emotions and make rational decisions based on your analysis. Finally, never stop learning. The market is constantly evolving, so you need to continuously educate yourself and refine your skills. The VWAP Snapback Fade is a powerful strategy for day traders, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and discipline to master. But with the right approach, you can use this strategy to capitalize on short-term price movements and achieve your trading goals. Now real quick, before you click off this video, do this right now. Hit that like button if this video gave you any value. It literally takes 1 second and helps the channel more than you know. Subscribe and turn on notifications because I'm dropping even more advanced trading strategies next week that you do not want to miss. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to trading setup? Let's talk strategies. Now go out there and start practicing.